come along with me while I wash up some vegetables from our garden before I get into processing all of them. So I clean my sink really well, and then I fill it with water and add in about a half a cup or so of white vinegar. I let the vegetables sit in there for roughly 5 or 10 minutes, and then I rinse them all off. And I like to group them according to size because it speeds up the processing step so much more. So I have the larger tomatoes there, and then I have Roma tomatoes, grape tomatoes, and there's also a few cherry tomatoes. Then I like to drain it all, rinse it out, and then I refill it for the next batch of vegetables. This is just all the random stuff we picked from our garden. There's peppers, beans, just all kinds of whatever was extra. So I do the same thing where I put the vinegar in, let them sit for a bit, and then I rinse them all off and just make sure there's no bad ones. And then I like to put them on there to drain for a bit on my towel. And then I go through and do the same thing. I sort them all based off of what I'm going to be doing with them. So the beans I plan on blanching and freezing. I'm not a huge fan of canned green beans. And then those peppers there that you see me, like the lime green ones that you see me stacking, those ones I'm going to turn into pepperoncinis. And then the hot peppers, which are all the red and orange ones, I'm going to be making a habanero pepper jelly with some of them. And then there's other ones that I dry and turn into hot pepper flakes. But I have a lot of processing in my future. Our garden is still going strong. So I hope you are ready to see some more in-depth processing videos.